Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to the latest tech news.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have something new for you all after a long period of time. Today I have JBL wireless headphones. They are black in color. The packaging is simple, and here are some of the specifications about it. It have 11 hours of battery life. They are lightweight and foldable. They have JBL pure bass sound and music controls on the ear cup. I have already opened its seal from the top. Let's take it out. And here is some of the booklets. Here are some of the warranty booklets and the specifications about the earphones. Let's keep it aside. And here are the headphones. It is a charging cable for them as they are wireless. We need to get it charged. They are quite soft. And we are having music controls, power off and on button, volume up and down, and pause button. From here we can also attend and reject a call. Here is the charging slot. We can insert the charging cable. They are not giving the adapter with it. We need to put it into our own adapter. Let's on it. There's a white light blinking. Here now there is a blue light. It means the headphones have been connected to our devices. They have very nice voice quality. I have tried it earlier also. They are so loud that we cannot listen on full volume. I have connected this to my device. Now I will play it on full volume. 1 second. Now I will turn it on full volume. Literally speaking, it can also work as a speaker as they are so loud. I hope you all will like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I will bring new videos again. Thank you.
सफर